equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the lower body of your Thermomix TM6. This process is essential for maintaining the efficiency of your appliance. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small container to hold screws. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Begin by removing the bowl and the lid. Set them aside in a safe place. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the lower body. There are typically 4 screws to take out. Place these screws in your container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the lower body away from the main unit. Be cautious as there may be wires connected. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Now, let's take a moment to clean the internal components. Use your soft cloth to wipe down any dust or residue inside the unit. This is a great opportunity to ensure everything is in top condition. If you find any issues during your cleaning, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After cleaning, inspect the lower body for any signs of wear or damage. If everything looks good, it's time to install the new lower body. Align it carefully with the main unit, ensuring that any wires are not pinched or caught. Once aligned, press down gently and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your Thermomix. After securing the screws, double-check that everything is in place. Reattach the bowl and lid, ensuring they fit snugly. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and run a quick test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. In summary, replacing the lower body of your Thermomix TM6 is a straightforward process that can enhance its performance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. However, if you prefer professional assistance, remember that we provide no calls, no travel services to make it easier for you. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your perfectly functioning Thermomix. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.